So what do you do when you're spring cleaning and you find your old Christmas decoration that you're not using anymore? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this deer into a springtime topiary for your garden. Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's get started. So here we go. I have this deer that I bought years ago at the Christmas tree shop, and I haven't used it in a while. So I wanted to turn it and repurpose it into something else and use it in my garden in the spring and summer. So I picked up this at the Joann's craft store. It's like a big thing. It's like where you put your planters and things like that. So I got one sheet on sale, so half off, and I am going to use this to cover my deer. And then I have a bunch of flowers and things that I had in the attic that I'm not using, and I'm gonna try to use this to kind of decorate and embellish my deer. All you're gonna need is a hot glue gun and scissors for now. Let me see how this is gonna work out. This is my first time, and I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully we'll come out with a nice little craft. So first, this is what I'm gonna do. This is pretty thick, and I only got one sheet because I want to take it apart and split it into 2 layers. So let's see if you can kind of take a look at that. See? And I'm just gonna do the whole thing and take it apart as gently as possible. Okay, so now this is one part. It's torn up a bit, but it doesn't matter. And then this layer came back pretty intact. I'm gonna start wrapping the body, and I'll do that portion first. So as you can see, I cut the piece and I tore it with my hands. It's actually easier to do that than to use scissors. And now I'm just going to glue some hot glue. So what I'm doing is that I'm putting hot glue at every section of the deer and kind of enforce it there. And if I need to stretch it a little bit because it's thicker on some parts, I can do that. See, like right here it's a little thicker, so I can kind of wrap it around a little bit more. So this deer had a mechanical moving head, but the motor is not working, so it's not going to be moving when I turn it on. I don't have to worry about that. I just have to make sure that I face it the way that I want it to face. So this is where it kind of stuck, so it's looking kind of this way. Oh my goodness, this is coming out perfect. Better than I expected. Why didn't I think of this sooner? This looks pretty good. I'm so excited about this. I didn't think it was gonna come out so good. Now I'm just going to have to work on the ears and the antlers and embellishments. I'm just gonna start wrapping around all the way and make it a little thicker than actually what it is, because it's a very thin wire, so I'm gonna make it a little thicker. All right, so the antlers are complete. I did both sides, and then I started doing the ears, and it's pretty simple. I just took a piece of the thickest portion that I can find and just cut the shape of the ears and just glued along the sides and just glued it on. And as you can see, this is the final product. So I'm almost done with this project, and then I get to do the fun part, which is to decorate it with flowers. So as you can see, it's coming together super beautiful. I had these at first, but I think it gives it more of a fall look. It's gonna put the sunflowers kind of like that, and then this garland around, but it looks a little bit more like fall, so I'm gonna save this and change it up in the fall, so I get 2 different types of decor in my garden. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna glue these and give it kind of like a little bit of a headdress over here. Hey Dylan, do you like the deer?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like a deer.
He likes the deer. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. So please make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.